So today we're going to set up the welding set, the MIG welding set, to weld correctly with adjustment of heat and wire for the material we're using. So turn the power on at the mains, turn the power on the welding set, and turn the gas on. Just a quick turn, away we go. For this example, we're not experienced with this set, so we're going to guess on our welding sets. So we're on A4, A1 at the minute, turn up to A4. We're not sure about the wire, we'll turn it up to 7, 8. And coming close and have a look. Again, we're going to say eyes every time we weld. So eyes, we're going to weld, screens on. As you can hear, it's jumping about, it's like Guy Fawkes. So it's telling me that there's either too much wire or not enough heat. So we'll turn our heat up a bit more to A7 and see what we get there. Again, it's still all juddering about all over the place, so we're still not quite correct. So we'll turn the heat up again, we'll go to B1. It's sounding a little bit better there, a little bit better, but not quite right. We turn your heat up a little bit more because, as we can see, the weld is very small. We've got a 6mm piece of material. We want the weld to be ample to actually join two bits of 6mm together. So we turn the heat up a little bit more. On to B3. Again, it sounds very good now. The size of the weld is very good, but it sounds very fierce. So we're just going to turn the wire down a little bit more. We're on 9 now. We're going to turn it down to 7. What we're looking for is a nice fizzing noise. Some people say like bacon sizzling in a pan. So eyes. Sounding much better there, but looking at the weld, we've still got lots of rings there. Just got a fraction too much wire still, so we're going to turn it down a little bit more. So 6.5. Eyes. So the sound of it is sounding very good. And if we look at the weld, looks nice and even. We'll just do another one so we can get a good close-up of that. So we've got a nice even sized weld, we've got nice little ringlets there. I'm more than happy that that weld is suitable to weld that thickness material. We turn the gas on. Something that we need to learn is when the welding sets run out of gas. So we'll simulate that by turning the gas off. While there's still gas in the cable, it'll weld nicely, and it'll gradually run out and it'll start to spit, fizz, and then we'll see the effects of running out of gas, which we call porosity. Eyes, eyes. So it started off quite nicely, nice and even, and then it started flaring and fizzing and everything. If you have a look at the weld, you can see all these holes in the weld compared to the one we have here, where it shows that the atmospheric pressure has got to the weld because the gas wasn't shielding it, and that effect is called porosity, which is a defect in the weld. So we just turn the gas back on again. And what we'll do, we'll simulate the effect of not having enough wire. So we're going to turn the wire down. It's on 6 minutes. We'll turn it down to 4. We know our heat setting is right for this thickness, so now we've just turned it down. Eyes. have a look at the weld. Looks a little bit flat in profile, and you could hear it going pup 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 pup, rather than that nice crackling noise which we need to look for. So that's simulated the wire not enough. We'll just turn it back to where it needs to be to get a nice buzzing noise. Eyes. There we go, nice even run there, nice sounding, and that's what we're looking for. Good luck with your welding.